let's take a look at how much you can actually make after all the fees are taken out. Welcome to Matt's Profit Pursuit. I'm Matt. I'm a part-time reseller who sources at the Goodwill bins and sells on eBay. And I like to make what sold videos and break down all the fees of every sale so you see exactly how much can be made on eBay. So if you like videos like this, please subscribe. I'm trying to get this information out to as many people as possible. Let's check out what sold and then we'll break down the fees. Sold this lot of Simpsons board game cards. I collect Simpsons stuff, and I actually bought 2 different board games to complete one, and then I just sold off the pieces of the other one. And these sold for $5.99 plus shipping. The buyer is all in at $11.83, and after fees and shipping, I get $5.56. Sold this Columbia PFG shirt. PFG is performance fishing gear, or performance fishing gear. So it's outdoor type stuff. People wear it to hike and hunt and stuff like that. I paid 70 cents for this shirt, and it sold for $9.02 plus shipping. The buyer is all in at $15.59, and after fees and shipping, I get $7.66. Sold this Orbis flannel. I paid $2.40 for this flannel, and it sold for $17.99 plus shipping. The buyer is all in at $28.17. And after fees and shipping, I get $13.81. Sold this ICP figure, the Wrath. This sold for $25.49 plus shipping. The buyer is all in at $33.57. And after fees and shipping, I get $21.84. Sold this Dub snowboard jacket. I probably underpriced it because it sold within a few days of me listing it. I paid $3.90 for this jacket, and it sold for $39.99 plus shipping. The buyer is all in at $58.27, and after fees and shipping, I get $37.26. Then I sold this J. Crew dress, new with tags. I only paid 90 cents for this dress, and it sold for $45 plus shipping. The buyer is all in at $55.73. And after fees and shipping, I get $39.27. I got one more item that sold, but I'm not showing it here because it's part of my $40 challenge. If you go look on my playlist, I have a $40 challenge playlist. And what I did was I started a reselling business, a new reselling business with just $40. And I'm building from there to see what I can come up with by the end of the year. And I'm treating it like it's its own separate business. So I'm not using my thermal printer or my packaging supplies. I am buying them as I sell items, and I'm just using my phone to list it and to ship the item. I get the QR code on my phone, and I take it to the post office, and they print the label for me. So if you're interested in that, of basically starting a reselling business from scratch, you should go check those videos out. The third one should be out before this comes out. So the item I'm talking about will be on that episode. Let's break down these sales and see how much I really made. So for all those items, including what the buyers paid for shipping, I have a total of $269.25. After I pay eBay fees and pay shipping costs, then I get $158.98 minus the cost of goods, which was $11.50, and that gives me $147.48. I take 25% and put it aside in a separate bank account to pay taxes later on. So that is $36.87. And that gives me $110.61. Then I invest 20% back into the business, which is $22.12. And that puts $88.49 in my pocket, which is 7.7 times my investment on these items for only about 2.5 hours worth of work. For picking, listing, and shipping these items. Thanks for stopping by. I really appreciate it. Again, if you like videos like this, please hit the subscribe button, and I'll catch you on the next one. God bless. Peace.